Hello, friends. This is Dr. Hiren Gala, consultant clinical cardiologist at Nanavati Hospital, SRV Hospital, and Ashirwad Hospital, Mulund. Currently, on the occasion of this World Heart Day, I would like to give you a brief on why exactly heart problem occur. There are many different etiologies or problems which give rise to heart problems. One of them is cholesterol. I would give you a simple brief on what is cholesterol management and how to go about it. Uh, there is cholesterol, as we all know, is endogenously produced by the body itself. And the most important here part is that cholesterol has different components, of which the bad cholesterol is the one which is very, very harmful for the body and is one of the leading factors which gives rise to blockages in the arteries, which can lead to heart attacks and in few patients, death as well. Okay. Uh, what exactly I mean by cholesterol? The total cholesterol, which is the level less than 200, which is the ideal level for all of us, and it is made up of different components like low density cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol, high density cholesterol, which is the good cholesterol. Then there are triglycerides and others. The best management for these cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, is that we go for dietary modification. Dietary modification means that we cut down outside intake of cholesterol, the food which can give rise to cholesterols or high cholesterol levels, like cheese, butter, and ghee, oil, other factors. Uh, as I have already said you that our body itself is capable of producing cholesterol and is able to produce the cholesterol in sufficient levels. We do not need the body to take more cholesterol from the diet. So dietary modification is the most important and the cornerstone of cholesterol management or lowering the cholesterol levels in the body. Okay. That would include eating very healthy food like fruits, salads. Uh, then there are the superfoods which are available in the market right now, like nachni, jawar, bajri. Uh, then there are chia seeds which are available. All these things are very, very helpful in controlling the cholesterol levels in the body. Second important component for cholesterol management is that we need to be physically very, very active. What I mean by physically active is that we need to be active in continuous motion, not exactly continuous, but we need to be very, very active and not be a sedentary person. That is, all those people who are kind of you know if I have to put it like couch potato, or people who kind of are working on the desk, have more of desk job. They also need to move about every day. We need to do at least 30 to 45 minutes of exercise, which would include a walk or a brisk walk, if possible to do jogging as well. And that would be very, very helpful so that the cholesterol levels can be controlled. The third important factor for heart problems is smoking. uh, as we all know, tobacco smoking is very harmful for the body. We need to quit smoking. Next component, which is again harmful for the body, is people who have high weight, the weight on the higher side. We need to maintain weight as per the height. We need to have a BMI of less than 24 or 23, which is the ideal for our Indian population. And it is more very, very important that we try and control our weight, because excess weight can give rise to insulin resistance, and which can indirectly or directly lead to diabetes in few of the patients. Next is management of stress and sleep. We need to have an ideal sleep time which is 6 to 8 hours every day, so that uh, our body so that our body gets a proper rest, and the stress factors reduce. The other important management part which comes up for the stress management is that we need to go do yoga, meditation. We need to go for music therapy. We need to do deep breathing exercises. All these form of things help the stress to reduce, which helps our body to stay fit as well as our heart healthy. With this, I would like to summarize all the points which can cause heart problems. One of the major factors for death in India and across the world is heart problems, and for that, the management or the non-medicine management would be to eat healthy food, to avoid junk food, quit smoking, maintain the weight, reduce weight, get physically active, to at least 30 to 45 minutes of exercise daily, and uh, go for proper sleep and stress management. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe, wear the mask, maintain a distance of 2 feet. We still are in the COVID pandemic. Thank you. Jai Hind.